Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to upload photos in Google Drive and share the link. Now it's a very easy process. All you have to do is open your browser, then just simply click on this dotted icon over here, then just simply choose your drive right over here and now right over here. Firstly just simply make a folder, but firstly make sure that you are on my drive. Then over here right click, new folder, then just simply name whatever you want, so test. Click on create. Now after that, just simply open the folder by double clicking on it, and now all you have to do is just simply minimize the window and open the folder where you have kept the image. So this is the image that I want to upload, as you can see right over here. So all you have to do is just simply drag and drop your image onto the drive. Then over here you'll find the option which will tell you that you're uploading something. So just simply leave it and it will be automatically upload over here, as you can see right over here. So it's currently uploading, so it might take some time. So be patient and wait for it to complete. And as you can see, the image is almost uploaded, and after that the image will be uploaded, as you can see right over here. And now if you just simply want to share the image, all you have to do is simply right click, then share, then click on share option over here. Now over here change the restriction, so click on the drop down box and choose anyone with the link. Now of course you can edit the permission over here if you want to, but for now just simply click on copy link. Now the link will be copied, and now whoever you will send the link will be able to open the image and download it. Let me show you an example. So if anyone opens it from the link, just like this, they will directly come to the drive and can easily download the image by clicking on this option right over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.